Hello friends, in today's session I am going to tell you about our portal taxo.com and also tell you about how to log in into this portal and how to download the report. This is our domain taxo.com and in this domain you get the four type of report. I am just going to show you the reports. GST Fitness Report, GST Fitness Report via PAN, borrower or vendor scan, and fourth report is the MSME scan report. Now I'm just logging into the portal, put in my credentials. I have to click on the button login. After that, I have to put my credential here. Now I put my credential here. Now it's take a little bit of seconds into the login. Let's wait. As I mentioned earlier, there are the four products. Now I'm going to tell you about how to download the report. A process of the login is over now. We have to select the GST Fitness Report. We have to put the GST number here. You have to put the borrow number here. For example, to give you the illustration, I have my GST number along with me. After putting my GST number here, I have to select the financial year. Friend, this is a very important step. You have to keep in your mind for which year you are going to assess, and in any particular year you get the sales and purchase data of 3 years. Like for in this particular case, I select the financial year 24-25 and I have to press the button generate GST Fitness Report. Then there is the two options come, one be the self submission and second be the customer submission. Difference between the both the cases is that in the self submission mode, if a borrower or client sitting with you is giving you the OTP, then you select the self submission. If he is saying he send me the mail, then you have to select the customer submission. And in customer submission we have the provision you can send the mail to your prospect client or borrower. Now I am going to just select the self submission. After that I have to put my GST username here. Friends, like me, you also have to be very handy with all the information because it's going to be save your time. Control C, Control V. I just put here. Now next step be the OTP. I think you have to get the OTP from your account team or your borrower. In my particular case, I am also requesting to my accounts team to share with the OTP. Or you get the OTP? Friends, the OTP will come on your mobile number, registered mobile number with the GSTN or the registered email ID with the GSTN. In our case, the OTP is the also important thing is that the duration for the OTP is the 90 seconds. If you not get the OTP within 90 seconds, then you have to regenerate the complete process. Now in the next process, now the things are verified and now we have to press the button generate GST Fitness Report. After generating this button, we have to wait some fraction of seconds because report generation takes a little bit time because there is the hundreds of APIs we are using in that report to give you the complete analysis of any borrower, prospect borrower. You get the sale data, purchase data, you get the compliance data, you get also the mismatches, and you also get the details of the fake invoicing, circular transaction. Loads of information will come. So its generation of report might be take some fraction of seconds. You have to be patient. So I'm also waiting for the generation of the report. And remember one thing, don't escape in between the process because then the all activity, all efforts you put here already is gone for the drain. So you have to be very patient. Friends, now you can see on the screen the report is already generated, and this is the complete process for the report generation, and this is from my side. Thank you.